Hey there, Bradley Hartman here. Hopefully you've been getting value from our Craft of LBM Sales newsletter that we deliver every single Thursday. I wanted to give you a heads up on our upcoming open registration for our 7th annual Sales Fundamentals Workshop. It's taking place April 6th through the 8th in Fort Worth at the Omni Hotel. We've sold out the last 6 of these editions, and we will sell out the 7th. So if you're interested in being there, we'd love to have you. You can save $300 by registering by November 14th. Now here's the deal. This is a lot more than just 2 days together in Fort Worth. We employ our before, during, and after model. We get you content up front, so when you join us in Fort Worth, we're ready to go. Our 2 days there will be the most engaging and interactive LBM sales training on the planet. And afterwards, we continue collaborating virtually to make sure you can implement them and see success. So keep an eye out for it. The Sales Fundamentals Workshop taking place April 6th through the 8th, 2026 in Fort Worth. Love to see you there.